Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to share someone's story link on Instagram using your PC, following the latest update. If you've ever wanted to send a story to a friend or post it somewhere else, this method is quick and straightforward. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. You can do this by launching your preferred web browser and heading over to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all the features. Next, find and open the story you want to share. To do this, simply click on the profile picture of the user whose story you're interested in. The story will open up and play in full screen, just like it does on your phone. Now, look for the three dots at the top of the page. This icon is your gateway to more options. Click on it, and a menu will appear. From the menu, choose Copy URL. This action will instantly copy the unique link to that specific story to your clipboard. This link is what you'll use to share the story with others. With the link copied, you're ready to share it wherever you want. You can paste it into a message, an email, or even another social media platform. Just right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut, and the link will appear. Anyone who clicks on it will be taken directly to the story you've shared. And that's all it takes. Sharing someone's story link on Instagram from your PC is now easier than ever. Whether you're connecting with friends, sharing a funny moment, or passing along something inspiring, this simple process lets you do it all from your desktop. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for making the most of your Instagram experience. Happy sharing!